Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like a week or two since I've uploaded, but in today's video, I'm just going to be packing for a 13-hour road trip. Me and my family are going to Wyoming, Montana. We might stop in Idaho. We're going to be gone a week and a half, so today's Sunday and we're leaving tonight at midnight. Get back on the 15th, so that's a Wednesday, so we're going to be gone a week and a half. Right now it's 2:30, but I have work at 4, so I need to like get my stuff together and start packing a little bit because whenever I get off, I'm not gonna want to pack everything. I just hate packing in general. It's just so much work, but I know I just need to get it done. This year we road trip to Indiana and that was 29 hours, so I feel like this is gonna be nothing. Like 13 hours is nothing compared to 29 hours. We're gonna be going to a bunch of different state parks and I'm so excited because it's so beautiful there. I made a list of the things that I like need to pack because if I don't write it all out, I end up forgetting stuff. So I think I have everything that I need here, but I think right now I'm just gonna get the clothes and outfits together for the most part, and like shoes and bathing suits and all of that. So let's do that. This is my pants drawer. I'm for sure gonna bring my black jeans. I'm gonna bring these. They're like the double colored striped pants. I think I'm just gonna bring one more because I feel like 4 pairs of jeans is good. I love these jeans, mom ripped jeans, so I think I'm gonna bring those. I'm just gonna put all my clothes on my bed, and then this is my suitcase. It's just so dirty from the airport from whenever I just roll it and throw it. Now that I have my jeans picked out, I just need to get leggings, shorts, and maybe some skirts. So I'll put those, and then, oh my gosh, I love these shorts. They're from Hollister. I just bought them. For sure bringing those. I think that those are the only shorts that I like, and it's gonna be cooler where we're going, so I think that that'll be fine. I am gonna bring these shorts too because they're super comfy. Then I'm just gonna bring this skirt too for pics. You never know. So that's it for the skirts and shorts and pants. The problem with me is that I overpack so much. Like I'm going for a week and a half, I'm gonna pack like it's 3 weeks, and I always overpack just in case. Always have the hardest time fitting everything in my suitcase, so you guys are definitely gonna see me struggle. For sure gonna bring my Lulus. Nike leggings, I'll bring those. They're my other Nike leggings. I'm gonna bring these too. Okay, that's a ton of leggings. I'm for sure gonna have to bring less clothes. All of this stuff is not gonna fit in my suitcase. I already know. Okay, now that I have the leggings, jeans, and shorts, I need to get some shirts and jackets because it's gonna be like 60, 70 degrees there, and here where I live in the 90s and 100s, so it's a big difference. I definitely need to bring warmer clothes. I picked out some shirts and jackets, but I'm for sure gonna have to go through everything at the end and take some stuff out because I have so many clothes. It's not gonna fit in the suitcase. This is the stuff that I like put out for now. So this white jacket, this brandy jacket, this is just like a Nike crew neck, a zip up, just a comfy hoodie, and this is like a super fuzzy soft jacket, and then another comfy hoodie. Those are all the jackets. For shirts, I just have this tank top, and these 2 white and black tank tops are the same but just different colors. White brandy long sleeve, then I have the same one in gray. I'm just gonna put everything over there. Then I have this. I don't know about some of this stuff. I just have to like plan the outfits and go through, but a black turtleneck, black brandy t-shirt, this black brandy long sleeve. I'm for sure bringing this one because it's super cute. This dragon shirt, tank top, and then just this gray tank top. Now that I have all of the tops and jackets, I need to pack pajamas and like comfy clothes. So like sweats and stuff. Okay, so I'm bringing these 2 pairs of sweats because they're my favorite pairs. And I'm just gonna bring this set of pajamas because they're so soft and comfy. These shorts because they're also comfy. I'm bringing random pajamas, but some Nike shorts and then some Nike spandex. Love random t-shirts, so I usually just keep them all folded right here because I have so many that they don't even fit in my drawers. I'm gonna pick like maybe 5 t-shirts to bring because I wear t-shirts to bed or just with leggings to be comfortable. And for t-shirts, I'm just bringing this long sleeve, this black shirt, and then just some other random comfy t-shirts. They're just in a pile right now, so you can't really see them. But now that I have majority of the clothes, I need to pack my makeup. I'm gonna put my chargers and all of that stuff in like a separate bag. Oh, I do need bathing suits. I need to get some bathing suits together. Right now, I'm just gonna get my like accessories and hair stuff together, like my necklaces, earrings, scrunchies, headbands, all of that stuff. I have all of my hair accessories in this, so I'm gonna go through this basket and figure out which hair accessories I wanna take. And then I just have my accessories in here. I usually have like main ones that I wear. I've been wearing these butterfly earrings recently, and then my little surfer necklaces. So I probably won't need to take that much jewelry, but just in case. Okay, so these are all of the hair accessories I'm bringing. And I need to grab a couple of these. I'm just gonna bring these 3 and then this little black hair thing. So those also are the only accessories I'm bringing because I don't need a lot. So I think that I'm good for accessories now. Now I'm just gonna put my makeup in a little baggie or like a pouch because I don't need it for the rest of the day. Okay, so I put all of my makeup in here and I put all of the hair accessories in here. Now I just have to like go through and figure out what I'm actually gonna take and the stuff that I really don't need to take. So I'm gonna do that. I got my shoes. I'm just bringing those 3 and Crocs. Okay, so I figured out the stuff that I for sure want to bring, but I changed and I have to go to work right now because it's almost 4. I'm going to finish packing everything up whenever I get home, so I'll see you guys tonight. I just got home from work right now. It's currently 10:05. I got off at 9, but like we had to clean up and stuff, and then I stopped and got food because I was starving. But I really need to pack because we're leaving in less than 2 hours. So I'm gonna try and like get everything rolled up in my suitcase. I don't know how everything's gonna fit. I'm gonna see how this goes. Okay, so I laid all of the clothes out that I have to fit. My shoes are over there, and I still have all of the jackets on my bed. So I got everything in. Well, my shoes don't fit and another pair of sweats don't fit, and then like 3 jackets, but I'm just gonna put those in a separate bag. But I just don't know how it's gonna close because you can't even tell. I'll try to lift it, but it's I'm gonna try to shut it, but I don't really know how well it's gonna work out. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try. We're gonna try anyways. It's fine. That's how it is every time I pack to go somewhere. Every time. I can never fit. This is not gonna work. Oh my gosh, wait. It's zipping up. Oh my gosh, that fit perfectly. Okay, so that actually fit, and I think that's good, but I still have to fit a bunch of stuff into another bag somehow because I have a bunch of stuff that would not fit in this. It's really just these leggings I'm wearing right now, and then these jackets, 3 other jackets. I don't think I'm gonna bring this 4th one. I think that's a little excessive. And then I don't really need this t-shirt, so I'm not gonna bring that. I threw out like another black shirt and some other Nike shorts. So now I'm gonna pack my backpack with like my makeup and skincare and stuff. But I still need a shower, and I can't pack skincare stuff and my toothbrush and all that until I'm done. So I'm gonna have to wait actually. But for now, I'm gonna try and get a separate bag to put all of this stuff in. Put all of my shoes and extra jackets. I'm just gonna bring this like duffel bag. Cost it $20 on it. Hopefully this can fit in the car. If it won't, then I don't know. Bring my dirty Air Forces because we're gonna be like adventuring and stuff, and I don't want to bring super nice shoes. I'm also gonna bring my Birks because I have to have my Birks. And then I'm just gonna bring my Nike slides, and in the car I'm wearing my Crocs. I'm just gonna put these sweats in here, and then I'm putting this hoodie in here. It keeps me really warm, so I'm bringing that. And this is like so cool. Okay, so I fit the rest of the stuff into this duffel bag. So now I have these 2 packed, but now I just have to do like a Nike backpack with my main stuff, and like I'm just gonna put my makeup and everything else in there, and my hydro, my chargers, and then I think that that's pretty much it actually. This is the Nike bag that I'm just gonna keep my main stuff in. So I have my Apple Watch charger. I'm charging my phone right now, so I'm not gonna put that in yet. And then this is a pouch with like all of my scrunchies and stuff, and CarMax. And this is like my bag with all of my makeup and lotion. That's it, other than hydro by my door with my Crocs. Other than that, I just need my skincare and my toothbrush and stuff. So I'm actually almost done. I'm gonna go take a shower real quick. That way I can pack my skincare stuff and all of that. So I'll be back after I shower. I just showered. I didn't wash my hair, obviously. I brushed my teeth and washed my face, so I have all of my skincare and my toothbrush and toothpaste. I'm gonna put it all in the same bag as like my makeup and stuff. It's 10:51 right now. Like I said, we're leaving at 12, so I actually like finished with an hour. So now I'm probably just gonna watch Netflix. I'm just gonna stay awake because I want to be able to sleep the full 13 hours in the car. I know I will because I always sleep. But yeah, I'll probably vlog this. I don't know if I'll vlog like the whole road trip part, but I'm definitely gonna vlog part of this trip. Now that I'm packed, I'm just gonna end the video here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe down below, and see you in the next one. So yeah, bye guys.